Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, I'm Rizky Aulia Pohan and this is Focus Update, bringing you the latest and most relevant information from Indonesia. We begin this update with news of a strong earthquake that struck the southern part of East Java. A tectonic earthquake has struck the regency of Pacitan, East Java on Friday, the 6th of February 2026 in the early hours of the morning. The earthquake occurred at around 1 o'clock Western Indonesia time and was strong enough to wake residents from their sleep. According to official data from the Badan Meteorologi, Klimatologi, dan Geofisika, the earthquake measured 6.4 in magnitude with a depth of 10 kilometers. The epicenter was located in the southern Java Sea, around 90 kilometers southwest of Pacitan. The earthquake is classified as a shallow event caused by subduction activity along the southern tectonic zone of Java Island. The strong tremors were felt across Pacitan and nearby areas. The shaking was also felt in parts of East Java, Central Java, the special region of Yogyakarta, and Bali. Following the shaking, a number of residents panicked and left their homes to seek safety in more open areas. As of this time, there have been no official reports of fatalities. However, several people were reported injured and a number of buildings sustained minor damage, including cracks in walls and roof structures. The BMKG has confirmed that the earthquake does not pose a tsunami threat. Despite this, residents are urged to remain calm and stay alert for possible aftershocks. The impact of the earthquake was also captured on camera at several locations. Surveillance footage from a market area showed the shaking occurring suddenly with buildings and stalls visibly trembling as people move away from the area. Footage from several stores also shows items on shelves shaking violently due to the strong tremors. In the video, the train does not continue its journey for a short time until conditions are declared safe. These recordings provide a clear picture of the strength of the earthquake that struck Pacitan and surrounding areas. That concludes this update. I'm Rizky Aulia Pohan. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.